15.2 classify shapes. I can classify shapes in several ways based on how they are alike and how they are different. I can also generalize from examples. Sort the shapes below into 2 groups. Use different colored pencils or crayons to color each group a different color. How did you sort the shapes, and how are the shapes in both the groups alike? You can use what you know about to generalize what attributes are the same about the shapes. So here we have all triangles, okay? We could color them this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, those all have right angles. Okay, is your work going to be the same as mine? Probably not. So draw a new polygon that could go in your first group. Draw another new polygon that could go in your second group, and color them the same color as the group they belong to. So if I could draw this, and it would go into my group that has right angles. Okay. Next page. How can you describe different groups of shapes? Ethan made 2 groups of polygons. How are the groups different, and how are the groups alike? The first group he has are rhombuses. The second group he has are trapezoids. When you classify groups of shapes, you identify the attributes of each and then compare them with other shapes. Here are some of the ways the 2 groups are different. In group 1, each polygon has sides that are all the same length. In group 2, each polygon has sides that are not all the same length. In group 1, each polygon has 2 pairs of parallel sides, and in group 2, each polygon has only 1 pair of parallel sides. How are some ways the 2 groups are alike? In group 1 and 2, all the polygons have 4 sides. Group 1 and 2, all the polygons have 4 angles. Group 1 and 2, all the polygons are quadrilaterals. Draw a quadrilateral that does not belong to either group 1 or group 2 and explain why it does not belong to either. So if we make our shape like this, my shape does not have parallel sides, so no parallel sides. Okay. And also it is not a trapezoid. Neely drew a group of rectangles and a group of trapezoids. How are her groups different? Rectangles have 4 right angles. Triangles do not. Okay. How are the rectangles and trapezoids alike? They have 4 sides and 4 angles. What larger group of polygons do all of Nellie's shapes fit into? They all fit into quadrilaterals. Draw a shape that belongs to Ethan's group 1. Draw a shape that belongs to Ethan's group 2. Why is there a square in group 1? All the sides are equal, so it is a rhombus. You can go ahead and use the groups below and talk about how they're alike, how they're different, answering numbers 7 through 11. On the back, how are the yellow shapes and blue shapes different, and how are they alike? Which larger polygonal shapes do the blue and yellow shapes belong to? Does the pink shape belong to the group identified in exercise 13? And explain. Draw a quadrilateral that is not a rectangle, a rhombus, or a square. Todd bought a jacket for $57 and 2 maps for $9 each. What was the total cost? Victoria wants to make 2 same-sized rhombuses. What tool can she use? Jesselyn needs to find 3 times 3, 4 times 6, and 7 times 2. She draws area models to solve the problem. What polygon group do her area models all belong to? And explain. And draw lines to show which attributes apply to all the shapes in the group. Convex 4 sides, no equal sides, two parallel sides to 4 angles. So you would go like this and then do the rest of those. That is lesson 15 to classify shapes.